Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can change the ratio of your video in Adobe Rush, that how you can change the video size in Adobe Rush. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to click on this plus icon, and after clicking on the plus icon, as you can see, has the option for the view of media. So we need to select the video. For example, I'm going to select this video. So let's click on the 8th section. If you want to use this one and this one, you have to select these both, and after that you have to click on the 8th section. It will take few seconds and the video will be added. So basically I'm going to cut this one, and after cutting this, let's see, this is the first video, and now we have to scroll and let's see the second video as well. So we have added the two videos. So let's see, here's our second video and here's the second video. So what we have to do, if you want to change the video ratio, video size, you have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, the both as you can and after clicking on this, as you can see, the sizes are available here. If you want the video in 16:9 ratio, 16:9 size, or if you want to 19:6, you have to click on this, and the video will look like this. So as you can see, the video is here. Now I'm going to scroll down. As you can see here, you will be able to see your video like this, and this way you can control your video. If you want to change the video size, video ratio, again you have to click on this, and after clicking on this, like the 4.5 and the 1.1 is also available. You can choose any one from them which you want to use them. So in this way you can change the video ratio, video size. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can change the video size in Adobe Rush. So see you guys in the next video.